Decorating a cake is probably the hardest but certainly the most exhilarating step of cake making. Today we are not making anything new, but letting ourselves succumb to the process, allowing our intuition to dictate the flow of the final step of the cake making affair. We are decorating a holiday cake. It's a 3-layer cake I brought to the Christmas table, a strawberry matcha vanilla cake coated in vanilla frosting. On top of the cake, I decided to create a branch of a spruce tree with some flowers that, given the season, could symbolize ornaments. Making the base of the cake is easy. Decorating it is so-so. It's the hardest and the most creative part of the entire process. Sometimes I can be fixated on one cake for several hours, decorating it, stripping it of all the decor, and starting all over again. Other times, the decorating process is one smooth flow where everything lines up beautifully the moment the first stripe of cream touches the top of the cake. I may even surprise myself. The bottom line, it's easy to get scared and try only things that worked in the past. Today, I'm giving you, myself included, permission to experiment more and embrace all the beauty, perfection, and imperfection of cake decorating. The more you do it, the more confident you get. I'm more reserved with cakes I make for special events, whether it's a cake for sales or a non-family gathering. I stick to what I know will work like a charm. No experimentation here. But when I make a cake for a family gathering or somebody who is all for my culinary trials, it's always a contest of trying new cake decorating techniques. In fact, I hardly ever bring the same cake to the table in this case. This is the time when I challenge myself to experiment with new flavors, combinations, and decorations. If it's a success, it ends up on our cake menu for official events, so to say. Otherwise, it goes through the process of alteration, modification, and redecoration until it reaches texture and consistency I am happy with and proud of.